Well, he has gone from sitting as Detroit City Council president to sitting in jail and facing life behind bars. Charles Pugh now going to trial over serious sex charges with a then teenage boy more than a decade ago. After more than an hour of graphic testimony from an accuser, now 27 years old, the judge said this.
It appears to me that Mr. Pugh is a gay pedophile. And I don't care that he's gay, that's his business. I am concerned about children.
7 investigator Jim Kirchner is live downtown right now. Now, a lot to cover here, Jim. Why is this young man coming forward now? And is there a statute of limitations in a case that is now more than a decade old?
Yeah, Carolyn, in criminal sexual conduct cases involving kids under 16, there's no time limit on the number of years. And this young man says he came forward now in part because he watched a civil case against Charles Pugh where another teen accuser won hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, of course, Pugh's defense attorney pounced here during this hearing. She wanted to know if that's why he came forward now, so he could get his own payday.
And you wanted to get a larger reward yourself or award yourself?
Not at all.
Charles Pugh shaking his head no and even smirking at times during very graphic testimony against him that Pugh hired the witness at age 14 as a personal assistant. We're not naming the accuser, now 27. He testified Pugh first touched his thigh, then asked him if he wanted to watch a gay porn video, and it advanced to sexual intercourse several times when they were alone over some 2 years. And Pugh wanted him to keep quiet.
Don't tell anybody what happened. You know, I can get in trouble for this.
The young man said he was gay, didn't want his mother to find out, didn't want any future success destroyed by coming forward.
Wow, I can't believe I just did that with Charles Pugh. Wow. Well, if you can't get rid of me now, I guess I'll be good on this internship.
The young man said he finally came forward, and recently, after watching another teen sex civil trial against Pugh, and Pugh's denial, only here on Channel 7 2 years ago, on the sidewalks of New York City, where Pugh ran off as city council president without any explanation.
But I don't owe you any explanation.
You're running away to a different state. I'm not going to let you do this to any other kids.
The judge ordering Pugh to trial, calling him a gay pedophile, and also said this.
He became his unofficial gopher and sex slave, basically.
Now, the judge did drop one of the counts because the defense attorney established that this teen was 16 when one of these alleged crimes happened. That's beyond the age of consent in Michigan. Judge also reduced Charles Pugh's bond. So does that mean he's going to get out of jail? That answer next hour at 6. Live downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
All right.